my name is Katie. I'm from the Fond du Lac Public Library Children's Department, and I would like to show you one of our new kits from the Barden room today. We have several Osmo kits available for checkout, and each one is a little different. I would like to show you how to set one up and run through it real quick. Let's take a closer look inside. Inside the container, you have your Kindle, your Osmo stand, the reflector piece, a charger, and the Osmo pieces themselves. So when you use this and you set it up, the first thing you want to do is make sure your stand is extended. And you can do that easily by pulling on the two legs. Your Kindle needs to be without the case. So gently take the case off and set that to the side, and then you will put your Kindle on top of the stand here with the camera on the top. You need the reflector placed over the camera lens, and then you can get the Osmo pieces out. This particular Osmo game is with pizza and money. So we have our pizza out with our pizza toppings, and then our dollars and our change to deal with our customers. Turn your Kindle on with the button on the side, and you want to choose Osmo Pizza Company. The Osmo screen will pop up and it will ask you a few questions. It will ask you if you want to register as a user. For this game from the library, you do not want to register. Okay, we will click Get Started, and it asks you to create an account. Go to the top corner and click Skip. Yes, let's skip. Now the game will get started. You can push play, and soon your customers are going to walk in and order pizza. You can adjust the level of difficulty so the game is appropriate for 5-year-olds all the way up to 12-year-olds. Select your toppings for your pizza that your customer is requesting. And push the green button. You can see the toppings on your pizza going through the pizza oven. And your customers are going to want to pay you. So then you can flip your pizza board over to the money side. Your customer will give you money and you give them change. And then your customer is very happy. It leaves you a great review. When you are done with the game, put all of the pieces back. Including your Kindle back in the case. To adjust the Osmo stand so the legs go back, there are gray buttons inside. You push the button and the legs will go back where they started. If you have any questions about the Osmo kits or any kits that are in the Barden room, the staff in the children's department will be happy to help you and answer your questions. Come on in and check something out.